Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background and convert that duplicate to a smart object so edits remain reversible. Once done, zoom to 100% and examine the grain separate luminance from color speckles because they need different treatments. Next, open Filter Camera Raw Filter. It's the fastest way to access noise sliders and preserve detail. Make these first adjustments now so later steps can refine rather than salvage the image. Now you'll balance noise reduction with detail preservation. In Camera Raw's Detail panel, raise luminance reduction slowly. High values blur fine texture, so nudge and compare. Reduce color noise more aggressively. It removes colored speckles without softening shapes. Adjust color detail to keep edges crisp. Use sharpening with masking and radius to limit sharpening to edges so you don't accentuate remaining grain. Make small, iterative changes and toggle the finish by selectively restoring micro-detail. Create a mask and paint where texture must return, or use Camera Raw local brushes to target faces or edges. Once satisfied, bake a sharpening layer, duplicate, run high pass at about 1 to 3 pixels, and set blend to overlay or soft light. Reduce opacity until natural. Finally, export at the intended output size and quality to avoid introducing compression noise. If you still see grain, lower noise sliders slightly and reapply selective sharpening to prevent banding or soft halos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.